Koli kweba Koli kweba bibi bonya bibi ya Bettina Ogana no me hu se obi akuko ejom ye shikra like what are you doing there? Ekpo is coming, hey, like this we see a boat, it cannot run. Blessed, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandra and this is Sanders Joyful Space. You are welcome once again. Hey, Ghana for me passion tenacity. We have to talk, we have to discuss. In fact, I don't even know what to say. My Nigerian brothers and sisters, me gonna find share sit down. Me gonna just find somewhere me gonna go sit down well because this gist, let me arrange my hair. Let me adjust my seat. It's hot. It's what? Hot. It's very hot. You don't want to miss this gist. Hey, you don't want to miss it. And then I'll be talking about Christmas in Ghana versus Christmas in Nigeria. Hey, yes. The Christmas where you go see for Ghana and the type you go see for Nigeria. That is what we'll be talking about in this video. So please go and grab your drink, your cold nusio, your popcorn or whatever. Just grab something because we will gist, we will laugh, we will talk. Anyway guys, before we jump right into the video, I just want to thank all of you who came to support your sister during my YouTube live, you know, our celebration. Yeah. All of you who came to celebrate with me, who came to, you know, join your sister during her live video, even those that came to watch like after we are finished, but you came to still watch. I say God bless you. Me person me damu yina say ya me shira obebre. Like you guys, you really came through for your girl. And the YouTube live was so interesting, interactive. Like guys, we had fun. If you missed it, please go and watch it. And guys, most of you suggested that, you know, we do the YouTube live more often. So just comment down below if you want us to be doing this YouTube live every month or maybe every 2 months. You guys should just comment down below. We will just come with chat, with gist, we discuss things, and sometimes we also do giveaway. Not every time but we'll be throwing in giveaway as we go along. So guys, if that's what you are interested in, just comment down below so that your girl will know. Anyway guys, let's just jump right into today's video because your girl is ready. So guys, your story. Once upon a time. Back in Ghana, your girl said things no be small. We're going to start from my first Christmas in Ghana. And we will narrow it down to the last Christmas I chopped for Ghana before I traveled. Let's start. My first Christmas was in Nungwa. Charlie, I was happy this Christmas. I say no be small. This Christmas go be helele. This Christmas go be didi. We entered the Christmas week. I was still not seeing too much action. I was like, what's going on? Because in Nigeria, where I am coming from, hey, you start to feel the Christmas. Even 1 month before the Christmas, you start to know that no, something want to happen. There is something that is about to happen. Like you go know say something will take place soon. You don't know shit. You don't know. So I was waiting. I say, maybe they are warming up. They are preparing that day to be boom. Explosive. Charlie. Let me break it down to you guys so that you understand. Immediately we enter the first week of December. Like even from November, from the last week of November, when you go to the market like this in Nigeria, hey, you start to see new clothes, like shabby clothes like this. It go there everywhere. We see that all the nice latest dresses for children is in town. Like is in town. Everywhere will be children dresses, like a lot. I will be showing you guys a video of what is happening right now in Nigeria. Specifically Edo State, Benin City, where I stayed. I don't know about that part of Nigeria, but where we stay, Edo State, Benin City, that's what I'm talking about. And also in Ghana, Nungwa and Tema, where I stayed, that's what I'm talking about too. Back to the gist. Hey, I said you will see these children dresses, like you will know say things they be.
Hold up, no let us pass. Oh. Sorry, no be push on the road. No, sorry, children things. Wow. Everybody shopping for Christmas. Shopping things. Shopping things.
What about shoes? You will see new shoes like hey, all those coco shoe. But I do ka. You know those shoes that be doing coco shoe for children. They are in town. Latest ones are in town. Even the adults are not left behind. You will see latest design of clothes for adults. You go know say this bronya, this Christmas is about to be helele. You will feel it when you now go to the fowl area, the chicken, akuko. You be seeing different sizes, different shapes of live chicken. Like you be doing point and pick. You be picking and selecting the one you want to buy. So that you take home. So people even buy their chicken from November. They will start feeding it so that it will grow more bigger. So that by December, it go down big well. Why some, they buy it in December. Why some also buy some days before Christmas. Anyone you want, you go see. If it is ram, you will see the ram section. It dey there. If it is goat section, it dey. If it is akuko section, it dey. There is no section where no data market be. Come and see me in Ghana. I was expecting the same vibes. Like I was waiting that you know the streets of Ghana will be bustling, will be telling me that Bronya is coming, Christmas is coming, the marketplace. I went to the market in Ghana. It's not that there is no clothes, don't get me wrong, but you see those new clothes I'm talking about, baby for children, adults. It was not there like that. It was not even there like, did I even see? It was just the normal thing. Just like, okay, fine, there are some new things in the market, but it's not something that is, significantly different that you say, yes, there's a big difference. Not only that, hey, you know the akuko section. Hey, maybe you Bettina or Ghana no. Me who say obi akuko. I didn't see. Like I didn't see. Not that they don't chop chicken for Ghana, but the only thing I saw is they were going to buy from the coast store. Like they'll go and buy the frozen chicken from the coast store. I'm like, okay, wait, where the live chicken? I'm not saying they don't sell live chicken in Ghana. Please don't get me wrong. But this is not something you go find for Nigeria. Like it's everywhere. You will just see live chicken fat here. Even in your street, people will carry live chicken for their head. They go they hawk. Yes, those malams, they will put live chicken in this basket and they will be hawking it so that if you like, you cannot go to the market. The chicken will come to your house. But in Ghana, no, they will not hawk. You will go to the market. No, it's not easily seen like every corner be chicken here, akuko here. Are where is the akuko? Where is the new clothes? Where is everything? If we say this Christmas, you know go jump. You know go jump or you know go jump. I was just wondering, I was looking around, I'm like, Ade, what is going on? Don't disappoint me, don't disappoint me. Yes, there was some activities in Nungwa, there was some, that Christmas they come. Not be say nothing they go on at all. But I needed that. Bam! Hey, I was wondering, hey, Jom she cry. Like the market no they hot. Hey, they hot at all. I was just like, okay, maybe let me wait. Something will still happen. Like, let's wait. I think Christmas have not come. But there is something I saw that was kind of similar. It is this masquerade. I'm leaving the picture of both masquerade up here. The Ghana and the Nigerian masquerade. Hey. And I was waiting for the heat of the Christmas, like if for job or if for heat or if for this or if for that. So that is where I now saw this, some people dressed in this funny attire like masquerade be, but their own masquerade in Ghana is more colorful. The one in Nigeria is scary. It's very scary. When we children see them like this, hey, I will never forget. Immediately you jam them. We start running. Ekpo. That's Ghana will call them Ekpo no that day. Please, I can't sing it very well. It's a long time. People from Edo State will know what I'm trying to sing or what I'm trying to say, but me, I don't really remember it. But what I know is immediately we jam Ekpo like this, because you always go around with some long KB. If they give you, so when we see that, we start running. But it's fun, no? Because you are running, you'll be laughing, but you are scared, no? Sometimes if they catch you, like you go hear them hot. They go from house to house, and you know, when they get to your place, you give them money, you give them food, or whatever you have. They just go from house to house. They fear them well. One, because of the way they are dressed. Two, because they go around with cane. Sometimes they don't use it. Sometimes they use it. When you hear Ekpo, Ekpo, you go run, leave your slippers. You will leave your slipper. What are you doing there? Ekpo is coming. Hey, like this. If you see Usain Bolt don't know how to run. Usain Bolt, he cannot run. He cannot run. When you see where we children are running from Ekpo, Usain Bolt cannot run. He's learning. Anyway, guys, back to Ghana. I saw these people in Ghana, you know, they were dressed colorfully, but they look like, you know, masquerades. But their dressing was colorful, it was not that scary. Sometimes they put these faces that are scary. And I'm like, why now? Your dresses are colorful, why are you putting this scary face? Anyway, the fun of it. But I see that in Ghana, the children don't run away from them. Rather, they run to them. Like, it's fun. They just use this, I don't know how they call it. They put some two things in their hands, be like iron. They'll be hitting it. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 hey, boom, 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 hey, boom, 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 hey. They'll be going from house to house, and if you still have maybe food or money you give to them, they dance. Like, it's very interesting. You see them dressed colorfully. You will see them around your area when it's approaching Christmas season, you know. You just see them going around. I don't really know the name Ghanaians call this masquerade, but I remember that in Ungwa then, hey, when this masquerade is coming, come and see the children. Koli kweba koli kweba koli kweba aje koli kweba koli kweba bibibo bonya bibibo bonya bibibo bonya bibibo bonya bibibo bonya bibibo. Guys, you see the children just running around this masquerade singing this song. I'm like okay. They are warming up. At least I've seen something similar to, you know, Nigeria. Even though it's a bit different, we children will run away from this masquerade in Nigeria. With the run, they're just scary. But in Ghana, they sing around this masquerade. It's fun, it's interesting, they dance. It's very interesting and colorful. So guys, let's continue. 24th is here. As for 24th there, we all go to church. You know, in Nigeria, we go to church. In Ghana too, they go to church in the evening. You know, the wash night service. We go to church, we thank God, we sing, we celebrate. You hear a lot of knockouts. They do the knockout, the fireworks and all that. It's very interesting. It's very fun. In both countries, you will enjoy this. Like, 24th is very interesting. Most people sleep late 24th. Like, wash night. What is it called wash night for? Why are you going to bed early? Like, before they wash guard. Before they wash guard, may you not go lose guard. Hey. Anyway, 25th, like 25th. Christmas have come. Christmas have come. Christmas have come. Christmas have land. Christmas have land. Hey. You will think that today, dear, Ghana want to show you everything. All the hotness when you find, now that day you go see them. For where? I didn't see you. I didn't see my people. In Nigeria, 25th like this, when it land like this, hey, you begin to smell different delicacies. Like, when you wake up, even from your house, you begin to hear your mom or your sisters, you know, already cutting the vegetables or just cooking. You begin to feel and see all the actions. The rice is on fire, this is being cooked, like everywhere is busy. Everybody is getting things ready. Like, the whole house, the aroma is about to change. When you step outside, hey, you'll be hearing different aromas. They'll be eating you from the north, the south, the east, the west. Like, different aroma of food could they hit you like this. Then you will nod your head. This is Christmas Day. Like, you will know indeed now Christmas Day be that. Then while the food is getting ready, almost cooked, you go and take your bath. You know, that Christmas dress they have bought for you. Me that time, they to buy me new Christmas dress, new Christmas shoe, new Christmas socks, even underwear is new. Please, I don't wear anything that is old that day. Everything new. When we finish getting ready, hey, nobody reach us. Like, you think your Christmas clothes is finer than mine. Hey, you don't know shit. Nobody reach you. Like, you go dress, you go wear your cocoa shoe, you go ka. They don't know shit. Then you will see your neighbors start bringing food to your house. Neighbor number 1, neighbor number 2, neighbor number 3, 4, 5, 6. Like, food will just line up like this. You don't know. It's a normal thing. Whether that neighbor before is not greeting you, he's greeting you, he know you. Like Christmas Day, dear, it's not about it's not my friend, I don't know you. Everybody, you go just exchange food. As your neighbors are bringing to you, you are preparing to also send to all your neighbors. That is how we do it. So by this time, you will now go and eat. Food is ready. You will eat food. Then with the children, we will now gather ourselves. Children in that area, all of us will now come together. Committee of Christmas children, we will come together. We will now be going from house to house. People will know, maybe me now, I know one of my auntie that is living 2 streets away. We will go and visit her. All of us will do group. And you and your friends can be in this group. Another group of children, they and their friends will be in another group. They will go to wherever they want to also go. We also form our own group. We'll go to where we want to go. So me, for instance, if I have an auntie living 2 streets away, we'll go there first. When we get there, she will give us food, drink, and she will dash us money. This money go dey shine well. Hey, we have our small purse. We'll put this money in our small purse. Oh yeah. Next person, if your auntie is also living, or your mother's friend, or we don't even want to know how you know the person. So far you just know the person be. If it's someone you just a greet for street, so far you know the person be one way or the other. We don't want to know how, but you shall know this person. When we get there, they will give us food, they'll give us drink, and they will also give us some This is how we will now go around. We'll be walking from house to house, from house to house. Not people we don't know, people we know. When we come back in the evening, we are tired, we are full, we are excited, our purse is full, we have money, sika bebre. In fact, there's nothing you can tell us. It's a fulfilled Christmas. By the time we get to, we start counting our money. Hey, sometimes we make 200 naira, 300 naira, 400 naira, 500 naira. Please, it's money. We will be excited like 5 cedis, 2 cedis, 3 cedis, 6 cedis, 7 cedis. Each person will make any amount that it reach your hand. We'll be so excited, we'll be happy. But the painful thing is when you get home, sometimes your mother will take it from you. He will say, I will use it to buy you something. You know how that ends. Sometimes, enter voice me. But sometimes too, they will give you some, they will take some. You too, you'll be happy. So that is how the Christmas they go. Now, so the Christmas they be. But in Ghana, I was expecting all these, things I just explained. Me, I didn't see the children going around though. Like, all the children were just in their houses, just playing around, Yes, they were coming out to play, but there was not much hype. They did not wear, new clothes, new shoes, new this, going around house to house, visiting friends and family, doing this and that. Neighbors did not even bring food. Me, I don't know why the area where I stayed, that's what's like. I don't know why it was like that. But I did not really see neighbors taking food from one to the other. I didn't see that, Neither did I see, like, the children going around, house to house, all those bubbling things. I didn't see all that. The only thing I saw was those masquerade I told you about. Yes, they still came out on Christmas Day, going around, it was fun, like going from house to house, just doing all that. I saw that one. Even in Nigeria, the Ekpo too will go around on Christmas Day. But I don't know if now they still do it in like Edo State. Maybe they have stopped it, that masquerade thing. I don't know if it's still like, happening. But those days, the Ekpo, Christmas season, you go see how well. But this masquerade thing in Ghana, you will see it like that Christmas Day, they will go around, you will see them. But there's nothing really extraordinary. Except maybe you now go out to the mall, Papaya, KFC. Yeah, you will see people like, a lot of people in the mall, in KFC, Papaya, like Eatery, all those places, just having fun. You will see it. When you go out, kind of, you will see fun. But in Nigeria, you don't need to go out to see fun. Around your premises, you will see fun. In your neighborhood, you will see fun. When you still go out, you will see fun. Everywhere, fun day. But in Ghana, if you really want to feel like, okay, something they go on today, just go to the city, like, the shopping mall, Eatery, places like that. You will see. They also have places where children can go and have fun, go on these rides and all those things. They have it, but you have to go out to have this experience or to feel that I'm talking about. But please, what I'm saying in this video is not the whole of Ghana. It is where I stayed, Nungua and Tema. This is what I experienced. In other parts of Ghana, Kumasi, Tamale, Takrady, all those places, I didn't live there. I can't really say. Even in Accra, I didn't stay in every area in Accra. So maybe where you live, your experience might be different. Like, depending on where you are living in Ghana. I feel so. Because some of my friends tell me that, oh, it's just this area. When you go to the village, when you go to this place, bro, yeah, you will see things happening. Celebration be what? Things they happen. If they jump, if they be keke, you need to go to those places where they be. Not be this place where you dey. Now the area where you dey be, now they be like that. I'm like, okay, maybe really they are right. It's the area where I stayed, my neighborhood, my neighbors. Maybe that's the vibes that is in that area. But when you go to other parts of Ghana, it can be fun, it can be interesting. That I cannot say because me, I not stay there. Now where I stay, I go talk. Please, yo, don't come and fight me. It's based on my experience, like personal experience between Christmas in Ghana and Christmas in Nigeria. I feel like Christmas in Nigeria is kind of hotter. Like till today, till tomorrow, it's still jummy, it's still hot in Nigeria. Like if not they go anywhere, it still be the same. Yes. But in Ghana, I hear some people say, oh, it used to be very hot, like just the way I explained it in Nigeria, like the way it is. It used to be like that in those days. But as times begin to change, year by year, like, Ghanaians don't really hype it much like that anymore. But those days, Ghanaians, they hype and well. So guys, it's just my experience. So maybe what they said is also true. Maybe those days, Ghanaians hype Christmas. But now, they don't really hype it. But Easter, Ghanaians, they hype Easter. Ghanaians celebrate Easter than Nigerians. Please, yo, correct me if I'm wrong. To my observation, Ghanaians celebrate Easter than Nigerians because they at least, in fact, this video is not about Easter, it's about Christmas. So maybe Easter time, I will give you the gist because I feel like I saw more things happening in Ghana during Easter than in Nigeria. Yeah. Like Ghana, they celebrate Easter. Like, I give it to them. Not that Nigerians don't celebrate, but Ghana, they really celebrate Easter. They carry them like, than a bit more than Christmas. To my own observation, I stand to be corrected. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed every gist, every part. Please drop in the comment section down below if you have experienced Christmas in Ghana, in Nigeria, or any other part of Africa. Tell me how it is in your country, like wherever you are. Sierra Leone, Kenya, South Africa, Gambia, wherever you are. Tell me how Christmas is being celebrated in your country. I would like to know, like, I really want to know. So if you have watched to this point, I say thank you. And if it's the first time you're coming across my face, across this channel, I say you are welcome. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell beside it so that you'll be notified anytime I post any new video. And to my returning subscribers, we for what? We for dance. My blessed people, my blessed people, my blessed people, Thank you all for always coming back to watch your girl. Thank you for your love and support. God bless you all and see you all in my next video. Bye.